In the fast-moving world of automotive repair, where precision and efficiency are everything, Autodata stands as the trusted companion of professional auto electricians. With an extensive library of over 360,000 automotive wiring diagrams for 43,000 models from 142 manufacturers, covering around 99% of vehicles on the road. A common challenge faced by auto electricians is understanding each manufacturer's unique way of compiling wiring diagrams, but Autodata has a solution. Our team of experts meticulously researches, enhances, and standardizes each wiring diagram, ensuring a consistent and user-friendly format that alleviates confusion. That means that the orientation of power distribution, or the component label on one wiring diagram, will be the same whether it's a Ford, BMW, Mercedes, or any other manufacturer. Autodata wiring diagrams are color-coded with traceable wire paths and have a handy zoom, drag, and move feature for a custom view. Hover over a component to get its description, or do a quick search if you already know what it is you're looking for. Our wiring diagrams are also A3 printable with flags and indicators to give you absolute precision when matching diagrams with a Part 1 and 2. Autodata's intuitive interface allows you to navigate complex wiring systems with ease, tracing circuits and troubleshooting quickly and efficiently, ensuring a timely return of your customer's vehicle. Trial Autodata for 1 month and experience the power of our industry-leading software.